Okay, for our second example, multiplying mixed numbers and whole numbers, we have a whole number of 24 times 1 and 5 6. This is our mixed number, again, because we have a whole number of 1 and a fraction of 5 6. So it's mixed together, it's a mixed number. The first thing I need to think is putting these both into fractions to get them ready for multiplication. I can put my whole number as a fraction just by putting a 1 underneath as a denominator. With my mixed number, I multiply my denominator of 6 times 1, which is 6, then add the 5, 11. Let's rewrite. I now have 24 over 1 times 11 over 6. We're using the same denominator. At this point we need to multiply, or actually we can see first, can we cross cancel? Again, we may not always be able to cross cancel, but we need to check that first. It makes it easier than having to reduce it at the end. But if we forget this option, we can just reduce our fraction at the end. I'm going to look, does 24 and 6 have a relationship? Do 1 and 11 have a relationship? I'm going to look at the smallest number. Can it be divided into the larger number? Can 6 be divided into 24? Yes, 6 can go into 24 evenly. So divide 24 by 6 and 6 by 6. This gives us 1. It cancels out the 6. The 24 is canceled out and we now have a 4. Let's rewrite it. We're always rewriting it so that we can see what we're working with. It makes it easier. This gets a little bit complicated to then what numbers do I multiply. So it's easiest just to go ahead and rewrite. So I have 4 over 1 times 11 over 1. At this point we can now multiply across. Put our arrows here, and we're going to multiply. So 4 times 11 is 44. 1 times 1 is 1. Again, we have a 1 underneath a number. That means that this is a whole number of 44.